2023 Toyota Tacoma. What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using these arrow buttons right here. The center button is like enter. Hold on, let me get my focus going. Okay, sorry about that. The center button is like the enter button, and then we have a back button right here. So, it's done in the dash. So go ahead and turn your accessories on. Just hit this button until your lights turn on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get a little closer. It's going to be all done in the center screen. Now let's push the push your arrow, or push back to get just to like a regular menu. Alright, push back to get to a regular menu, and then you can scroll up and down with the arrows. Or first we want to go to the gear over here. So go all the way to the gear, and then when you're on the gear you can go up and down a little bit. We're going to go to settings. Sorry about the glare. And then there's like different things you can go to. We're going to go to maintenance reset. Reset the maintenance reminder, and then go up to yes, hit yes, and then that's it. Maintenance reset complete, and you can hit back, and then that's it. You can just go to wherever. You can go back to your car, or go to the eye, and just that's basically the best spot because you can see your miles per hour and all that stuff. But that's it.